Photos taken by the camera may contain distortions, and in such cases, we can configure camera calibration parameters to improve the accuracy of a line. Click the button to open the camera calibration function interface. In this interface, you can switch between camera groups on the left and enter the corresponding initial parameters for each group on the right. These parameters are typically provided by the hardware manufacturer. If you cannot easily obtain this information, use the various optimization methods mentioned earlier and run a line. The software will automatically calculate the correction parameters and populate them under the optimized section, requiring no additional input from you. You can also click the export button to export the camera calibration parameters and import them for other image projects by clicking the import button again to reuse them.